Hello everybody! Today I'm going to take a close-up look at the new and an old Audemars Piguet Rubber Strap. So let's go ahead and take a look at the new strap. So this watch is the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore Chronograph Rubberclad, and it does have a new Audemars Piguet replacement rubber strap fitted onto it. And just taking a look at the rubber strap up close, you can see that it does have a matte charcoal or very dark grey finish or color, so giving you those close-up looks at the rubber strap. And of course on the inside of the strap as well. So giving you those close-up details. So of course it does have the AP folding clasp fitted onto it, as it is part of the watch, and giving you a look at the old strap. So side by side, this strap is 15 years old. The one on the right and the one on the left is completely brand new. So you can see immediately there is a sheen on the right strap, and the color does appear slightly darker as well, just very slightly. So we're comparing a 15-year-old old strap on the right versus a completely new one on the left. So giving you a further out view so you can see those details perhaps a little bit more clearly with that overall look right there. So it's quite noticeable in terms of the way the light reflects against the surface of the straps. So let's take a look at the short side as well. So once again, a brand new one on the left and a 15-year-old one on the right. So we can see once again it does have that gloss texture or shine to it, the old one on the right, whereas the new one on the left is completely matte in finish, not really reflecting or shining any light off its surface. So right there up close at the new one once again. And perhaps giving you another aspect between the old and new straps. Of course, let's get the camcorder to ensure that we achieve focus so you can see it more clearly. Of course, the insides as well, so giving you a look at the inner side of the straps. And of course, the thickness as well, stacked on top of each other. And right there, layered on top of each other. Perhaps you can see maybe a bit more clearly the differences in appearance of the two straps. And in terms of the flexibility, they both feel the same. And just one more look at the long side of the strap. And let's stack them on top of each other. Seeing that they're both long pieces, perhaps you can see the differences a bit more clearly between the new and the old strap. So right there, top of each other, and on the underside as well. So let's try and get the camcorder to achieve focus on the strap. So a little bit tricky, of course, with the folding clasp in the way, but right there we've managed to somehow focus on the two straps on top of each other. And right there as well, stacked. And let's put the old strap on the underside instead, so there's no shadows covering the new strap. It's right there. So you can see just how obvious it is with the light bouncing off the strap below, which is the old strap, obviously. And you can see the color, as I mentioned earlier, the old one on the right does have a slightly darker or near black hue to it compared to the matte strap or new strap with the matte dark charcoal color, even though they are both the same straps, given that they are 15 years apart in age. So that's the Audemars Piguet rubber strap. Thanks for watching and happy taking!